This is Attorney Judy. I see you requested support for a traffic stop today. Is that correct?
Yeah, my daughter was pulled over, and now they want to search the house.
That's
Well,
hi.
yeah, I'm Sergeant Good with the York County Regional Police Department. Are you his representing attorney?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So what we have is we had a road rage incident where somebody described a pistol with extended magazine was pointed at them from a vehicle that's here in the driveway. The people that are here in the driveway, the police officers got here and saw them go into the house. And we want to try to confirm whether there's somebody in the house with an extended magazine pistol that was waving it at people or not. I explained to your client that, one, we could get his permission to look for that specific style weapon, or we could apply for a search warrant. But first, we would probably do a protective sweep of the home to make sure there's nobody in there pointing a gun at us right now. But that's where we're at.
Yes, sir. So, Mr. Ward, you understand that they don't have a right to search your home without a warrant, correct?
I told them they cannot enter the house without a warrant.
Well, there's a difference between entering the house and doing a protective sweep to make sure there's not somebody in there pointing a gun at me right now. We wouldn't be searching the house. We'd be first doing a protective sweep, making sure there's no other people in the house that would do us harm. Then after that, we would apply for a search warrant to search the house for evidence.
Yes, sir. But you understand that he doesn't have to give you permission to enter his home unless you have a warrant.
Correct. For searching it. The protective sweep, I believe there's plenty of case law saying that we can make sure there's nobody armed and dangerous in there waiting to hurt us. Again, not to search the house, but to enter for a protective sweep.
It is his private property, so unless you have a search warrant, you don't have a right to enter his home.
Okay, we might agree to disagree on that point for entry, but anyway, we'll apply for a search warrant, and as long as these people all stay out here, maybe we don't need to do a protective sweep, and we'll just apply for the search warrant. So, all right, very good. Thank you.
No worries. You have a great day, sir.
Do you want to talk to her about? So, I understand his, animosity towards us being here and everything else like that. But we are trying to solve a crime. I don't know if you want to talk to him. That
they have no witnesses here saying that it happened.
Right. We normally don't have the witnesses.
They just took a 911 phone call.
So I'm trying to look for cooperation, look for a specific weapon. If it's not there, great.
Don't touch
but
me again.
If you want to talk to him, see if there's anything that he wants to do with us, great. If not, we'll just secure the way we're at now. But we're not going to let anybody go back in the residence until we have a search warrant, because very well could be weapons inside, and he's actually admitted there's other weapons inside. So we're going to be sitting out here for several hours waiting for the search warrant. Okay?
Yes, sir. I have to protect my client's constitutional rights.
No, I get it. I totally understand. Yep. No, I get it. I just didn't know what all conversation you had before I got here on, whether, and then obviously too, I mean, one, if somebody has this weapon and they're willing to escort us to it and get it, great.
There is no weapon they're talking about in this premises.
If there is no weapon, then I understand that also. But we can't just say, somebody says somebody did the same thing to you.
So anybody can call and say, hey, this guy has a gun. And you're going and they're not here, so they can't say anything. They took a 911 phone call.
No, we talked to the person. Anyway, all right, good enough.
Right.
They don't have permission to search anything.
We're going to go
The search, I have a lawyer on the phone. So they're looking for a gun, and there is a in the trunk of the car.
Okay.
I mean, they're going to get a warrant to search for a gun. So anything outside of the gun is nothing, right?
They can take it, right? That's all.
Unfortunately, if they get a warrant to search the car, I believe they can press charges for something else being found in the vehicle.
What if we just let them search it and all they find?
It's going to be up to their discretion on
I
whether
would
they
want to
want
sit and smash it right now. And what can they do about it?
They can charge you. All right, go away. Okay.
So yeah, if you do give them permission to search, like and they find something like that, like just know that it is up to their discretion whether or not they want to press charges.
I got you.
And sometimes, when you are cooperative, they might let something like that slide, but there's no guarantee. So giving up your rights in that instance to charges.
I got you.
And just so you know, like just because they're going to apply for a warrant doesn't mean
Right.
that they're going to be successful in getting one.
I got you. So I had to flip it around because I need to have this recorded, but I'm still here. You're going to trash the car. The driver did give him permission to search the car, which
When he pulled up, we were outside the whole time.
I know, it's crazy.
When I got the reason to that the car was here, I parked up there, kept an eye on it. It wasn't until
Whoever was parked down there seen us the whole time. We were outside.
yeah, we kind of see him. Okay. Once I saw him get the stuff out of the car. That was for no. I never.
What's stuff? This stuff.
That stuff.
This stuff.
Okay, all right. So,
They did bring the fishing rod.
so nobody carried something in the house.
Not that.
that's their business.
We're just looking for a large pistol with an extended magazine. So that's it. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
You have a card?
In my car.
You got a card?
I'll grab it for you then.
You ain't got a card?
He's brand new. He don't have a card.
He looks like he's 18. Take it how you want.
And is there stuff here yours, man?
I don't care how old you are.
I don't have a gun, so I don't really care what you guys think. I'm fucking underage, like, yo.
Your 1014.
14.
Like the end for Detroit, Kentdale Road, the township. Fertilizing on the other side as well. Fine. Okay, Olden.
And you can park me outside.
Thank you, man, for your patience.
Of course, sir. I can stay on with you as long as you are interacting with the police.
Okay. It's crazy. I just talked to Sean the other day, and so glad I have this app now.
It's definitely a good resource.
Yes. I can't wait to tell him about this interaction. It's crazy.
I'm just trying to speed it up. Because if my cops are saying that nobody carried
I'm just going to go on the other side, dude. I don't want to be in your way.
Is there, you know this other person?
Never met him before.
I didn't hear the first part from what you guys said. Was there somebody in the car videotaped that person?
I'll report you.
Okay. So what happened that up?
We were driving. We got in front of them. They were honking the horn, flicking us off, so we flicked them off back.
You know why they were doing that?
We got in front of them.
Oh, okay.
We're like,
You mean where the two lanes?
Yeah.
Down? Yeah, we got on like the old Sherpa.
Yeah, and they
By
were
Duncan.
slowing down or stop or going
So
faster,
like-
so I needed to get over, so I just cut it over.
Okay.
And then they got all mad about it.
Where's the?
The button right there by the steering wheel.
There's a bullet there.
Like, there's bullets in my house everywhere.
Yeah, and I don't know if this relative or not, but he was saying like, you guys do have legit legal firearms in the house and everything. That's fine.
And access.
Any things that you want. And we're not worried about your life or anything like that. And if you want, I can, if you let me, I'll just squeeze that to make sure.
Yeah, that would have been easy.
Instead of pulling everything out. Not worried about it. I mean, I can't have it, but we're not worried about that.
It's stuff, isn't it?
It's always
Yeah, it's gonna be down my mom's house. That floorboard looks up too.
But you gotta understand where we're coming from. Yeah, and then, little things like the holster and everything else, I mean, it doesn't look good. But if my guys are saying that nobody had a gun that they saw go into the house from when you guys got here, then we can rule out that it got snuck into the house. You know what I mean? Then we can rule out, then we can say, okay, well, then this person must be confused, that avoid yourself.
all that stuff good.
Yeah.
You want me to take that in, or you want it from?
Car's all good.
Yeah, car's all good. All right, so, like I said, I don't care about this. We got to take it and dispose of it, but I'm not making a problem out of it. I appreciate you guys. Look at the car. Really, no gun in it. So yeah, I mean, I don't know why the caller's adamant that she saw.
That's because we were recording them because they had a fucking bat. Like they were literally waving the bat out the window. Like, pull over.
A bat?
Yeah,
Like a baseball?
a baseball bat. Yeah.
How many people were in the back?
Two. There was a lady driving and a dude in the front.
Did we talk to the other guy? Did we talk?
Yeah, I talked to the female.
All right.
Yep.
If I was more, I don't know, I'm not sure how I'm talking. If I was more certain that somebody could have snuck the gun into the house, we would get a search warrant for the house.
That's the only way you're entering the
But if
house.
these guys are saying, what's that?
It's the only way you're going to enter the house.
Right. No, I get that, and I'm not here to, flex on you or anything like that. Okay. But if my guys would have said, yeah, somebody carried a bag inside or something. But under the circumstances at that point, I don't think we are gonna search the house. I don't like you saw your attorney on the phone down there. I don't think we are, since we were able to check the car and they're pretty certain that nobody's going to be done.
Kept an eye on until they were getting closer. And then once we saw you out, like, wow, now we better make contact before they start.
We're gonna head over to the other half and talk to them.
Do they have
video also?
They do.
Bring up anything?
I promise you they do.
I'll ask them to do.
They got a video.
I mean, I would hope to see it. They could have also just been holding their phone as a scare type thing, but it could be a multitude of things. So yeah, I mean, I'll see if they have video. Like I said, we're not just harassing you guys here. We're gonna be talking to them and making sure.
And the reason why there is 4 cops is that, one, this is one that we would automatically send 2 guys on, and then I'm the 5th supervisor, so I'm gonna come. You know what I mean? And the other guy was semi-close at the south end of Red Line, so I told him. You know what I mean? It's not that, again, whenever we have a call that involves a firearm, we have to just caution. 14.
I just need cards from everybody but Schwartz. I know you don't have a card. Card? You related to a Kevin Schwartz? Full information out of York?
Nope.
Appreciate it.
It sounds like everything's wrapping up there. Is that correct?
It is. For now, I'll let you go for now. If anything else happens, I'll push the button again.
Okay. Please do.
Thank you for your time.
Absolutely. You have a good rest of your day.
Thank you, too.
Bye.
Bye.